14.19 for 14.21 Leicester Lincoln Central. This one's certainly dipped in recent weeks and gained a broken bit at the end. Something always changes it, but never for the best. Except when we had that fast alarm, that was for the best. Another close incident because of vegetation. When are they going to learn? They ain't.
I'm not there.
14.37 for the 14.45 service from Kingsbury to Umberland. Let's supply some more fuel to other countries. Now this one's... So this one's routed as far as West Oaks, where they've got 4L65 boxes. Man says he'll be there in 5. It'll take 5 for the train to appear. Right, 2L68 East Midlands now ready at Central. So it'll be at least 2 minutes behind. Freight train just past Doddington. Yes, I think, because the road was set directly behind K15 for that freight train.
I like freight trains.
Yeah, will be. Because that signal's maybe, what, 400 metres round, if that? It's very close.
I think I could try it anyway.
Shouldn't be too long back now. Minute at most, maybe. Then, Bugger, I'd keep him down to the East Midlands. He just left the city now, which means he's up to 5 minutes back. Give this 1 or 2 to pass. You've not got many more until it gets here. Otherwise, there's not much time in between to raise and relower. TC6 150. Refinery. And we're staying for the next one, everybody. They ain't. We are. So next is East Midlands then. Delayed 14:40 Central train service from Lincoln Central to Leicester. He's currently 3 minutes behind. Left the city 2 minutes ago. Needs another 2 till he'll jump Howard Junction about a mile or so up the line. He just passed Signalling Centre now. It was better than throwing up to throw him straight back down again. They should be in that far apart. Then it goes back to the times that we were back down within 20 seconds of being put up, which was way too close together. That second one just now passed Scoobridge, Tip and Ruston's. They both would have passed at Ruston's.
Yeah, and then we'll have a little mix in it. See which is better.
I can't believe that.
It's the only way of finding out.
We're still waiting for Doddington to go back down as well. We've been down for over 6 minutes and seen half. Where's the fencer going? Is that going off to NK? Must be. Yeah, must be doing the Robert Patch of Parker Avenue then. I've got Doddington back down. We're 6.5 minutes in and seen half of the trains we're waiting for. Just waiting for the passenger one next. Classically enough, we've waited longer for this second train than the first one and its length combined. If that freight train was from a standing start, well, that would still have passed before this one had got here. Second and final train approaching 175.17. For Leicester. Go. About the 7 minutes of wait. Thank you, I'll see you in the next one, everybody.